Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Dzire to ACC or on so the head unit is active. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and discoverable because the car needs to see it. This prevents time wasted with hidden devices. Next, access the infotainment's Bluetooth or phone menu and choose Pair New Device. That starts the handshake. Once done, the system will search. Keep your phone screen unlocked and stay near the dash to maintain connection quality, while the devices exchange their ID. Once the Dzire finds your phone, select its name on the car screen, and you'll see a PIN prompt. Compare numbers on both devices and accept to authenticate the link, because mismatched pairing blocks audio and calls. After pairing, grant permissions for contacts and media so phonebook and streaming work automatically. If other phones are present, set yours as the priority or favorite to ensure the Dzire connects to you first when you start the car. This avoids manual repairing each trip. Finish by making a quick test call and playing a song to confirm audio routing and microphone performance. Adjust car volume and phone media volume because both affect perceived quality. If the connection fails, remove the Dzire entry from your phone's Bluetooth list and delete the phone from the car list. Then repeat pairing. Stale records often block new links. If problems persist, reboot the phone or restart the head unit, and make sure both devices have up-to-date firmware so Bluetooth standards remain compatible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.